If you find yourself constantly overlooked in the interview selection process, it means your portfolio needs work. Last weekend, I had the opportunity to dine out with a few friends in celebration of Thanksgiving. As I looked through the menu, my gaze fell on a dish with an interesting name. Rigatoni. I could already envision the taste and the presentation, and I placed my order confidently. However, my excitement quickly vanished when the waiter returned with my chosen dish. The presentation was uninspiring, to say the least, which left me hesitant to even try the food. Much like crafting a culinary masterpiece, your UX portfolio requires a blend of skillfully designed elements and an engaging presentation. In this video, I'll guide you through the common mistakes you might be making in your UX portfolio. I'll also provide insights on how to elevate it into a captivating showcase that would impress potential employers and secure you an interview. Stick around until the end of this video to get a checklist designed to help you evaluate your UX portfolio. Neglecting the user. One of the most significant oversights made by UX designers is failing to prioritize the end users in their portfolio presentation. It's crucial to approach your portfolio as a UX design project in its own right. This begins with identifying the target audience for the portfolio. In many cases, it's the hiring manager who oversees the portfolio review process. Occasionally, a recruiter might conduct initial screening before passing it on to the hiring manager. Additionally, you may find yourself sharing your portfolio with freelance clients. Consider the following. Recruiters may have limited familiarity with UX concepts. Both recruiters and hiring managers often have limited time for portfolio review, especially amidst their busy schedule, making it challenging to thoroughly evaluate a candidate's skill and experience. The primary objective for these users is to swiftly identify designers who possess the capabilities to excel in the role. Your portfolio, therefore, presents an opportunity to thoughtfully curate your work in a manner that demonstrates consideration for these users and effectively showcases why you are an ideal fit for the position. This is precisely why it's crucial to keep your portfolio concise and focused. Failure to balance project details. Finding the right balance of project detail is a common challenge for many UX designers. It's crucial not to provide too little context, leaving the reader puzzled, nor inundate them with unnecessary specifics. To address this, consider showcasing a curated selection of 3 to 5 case studies that align with the trajectory you envision for your career. Position your strongest projects at the forefront for easy accessibility. If you're inclined to include personal projects that you're particularly proud of, consider placing them in a dedicated section or within your About page so as not to divert attention from your primary works. When crafting your case studies, aim for brevity. Use concise language to describe your work and complement it with visuals to break up the text. It is essential to strike a balance, as an excess of information or cluttered visuals can overwhelm viewers, impeding their ability to digest the content effectively. So if you find the need to go deeper into a project, consider providing links to additional pages or PDF for further exploration. I have created a video that guides you through the key components to include in your case studies, which you may find incredibly helpful. Lack of storytelling. One common misstep in UX portfolios is the failure to harness the power of storytelling. By neglecting to weave a compelling narrative around the design challenges and solutions, some designers present case studies that feel incomplete, lacking the depth and clarity expected in a well-prepared showcase. To rectify this, prioritize the creation of an engaging and coherent story that vividly demonstrates your problem-solving ability. Identify the problems, delve into your research, articulate your decisions, and then highlight the ultimate impact of your design. This not only captures attention but provides a comprehensive view of your process and skills. The fourth mistake is lack of evidence, credibility, and results. One common oversight among UX designers is the failure to provide concrete evidence of their achievements and the positive impact of their designs on user behaviors, metrics, and business objectives. Without tangible results, it becomes a challenge challenge for hiring managers to recognize the value you bring to a project or organization. Emphasize the importance of business thinking by demonstrating how your designs actively contributed to achieving the organizational goals. Incorporate metrics, KPIs, or numerical data to quantify the impact of your work, making it less abstract and more substantial. Additionally, consider including testimonials from colleagues or mentors to further boost your claims. This not only adds credibility but also provides valuable insight into your professional abilities. Mistake number 5. Underemphasizing soft and technical skills. A lot of UX designers forget that their portfolio is an extension of their resume. They overlook the importance of highlighting their skills and abilities. This omission can lead to a limited understanding of their capabilities. To address this, consider incorporating these skills into your case studies or dedicating a section on your About Us page for them. Think of your portfolio as an art gallery. It should be a clean canvas that directs attention solely to your work. In today's world, where the average attention is about 8 seconds, simplicity is key. Abide by the cardinal rule of web usability. Don't make me think. Review your portfolio for any friction points and promptly address them. Also, evaluate your navigation. Is it straightforward and intuitive? Users should easily navigate from any section to the home page and seamlessly progress from one project to the next. Additionally, ensure easy access to the contact page. Poor responsiveness. Another frequent oversight is neglecting the cross-platform experience of your portfolio. This leads to a subpar user experience on various devices. Ensure your website is responsive. Test it on different devices to verify proper functionality. You may need to make adjustments like repositioning the buttons or resizing images for the mobile version. Don't risk losing a recruiter's interest due to a misaligned display on their phone. Neglecting the call to action. Some UX designers overlook the importance of guiding the reviewers towards the desired action. Do you want them to reach out to you? If so, provide a clear pathway to do so. For example, you can add a get in touch button in a strategically placed location. This will act as a visual prompt, encouraging interaction. Additionally, consider offering an easily downloadable one-page resume. This simplifies the process for interested parties to remember you and facilitates follow-up easily if they were considering you for the particular role. Mistake number 9, overlooking accessibility. A common mistake I see in a lot of UX portfolios is prioritizing aesthetics over accessibility. To address this, ensure your portfolio is accessible to maximize usability for everyone, regardless of ability, context, or situation. An easy win in this regard is to check the contrast of the colors in your portfolio, so both the branding colors and the colors within your case study. Neglecting visual design principle. Quite surprisingly, in a lot of UX designers' portfolio, they overlook critical visual design principles such as simplicity. You see a lot of cluttered visuals which overwhelm viewers. Sometimes you might find inconsistencies in font, colors, or layout choices, which can be distracting and come across as unprofessional. They also sometimes fail to establish a clear visual hierarchy, leading to viewer confusion. Attention to these elements is crucial. After all, a hiring manager is seeking a UX designer with strong visual design skills. What better way to showcase this than through your portfolio? Mistake number 11, lack of personal brand. Failure to establish a personal brand within your UX portfolio can hinder your ability to stand out in the competitive field. Your personal brand is summed up by your distinctive design philosophy, your style, and values. To fix this issue, infuse elements of your brand into your portfolio's design, utilizing considerations such as color choices, typography, and visual motif. You can also create an engaging About Me section that narrates your design journey, motivations, and philosophy, adding a personal touch beyond your work. Also, maintaining consistency in your personal brand across all professional profiles, including your LinkedIn and your portfolio, ensures a seamless and memorable impression. If possible, showcase personal projects that provide an opportunity to express your unique design style and interest. Remember, your personal brand should authentically spotlight what already sets you apart as a valuable and distinctive designer. This allows potential employers or clients to forge a deeper connection with you. And the last but not the least is overlooking proofreading and polishing. In UX design, attention to detail is important. Yet, it's surprising how often designers neglect this vital step of proofreading and polishing up their portfolios. Imagine a hiring manager encountering a spelling mistake, which of course can be avoided, while reviewing your portfolio. It signals a potential lack of prioritization for precision, a critical attribute in UX design. To address this problem, allocate dedicated time for thorough proofreading. You can also consider seeking a fresh set of eyes, like a friend or a mentor, as they may spot mistakes that you might have overlooked. Leverage tools such as spell checkers and grammar checking software to catch any lingering errors. Don't let avoidable mistakes overshadow your impressive work. Just as design is an iterative process, crafting a portfolio that will truly impress employers requires continuous refinement. As promised, you'll find a link to the UX portfolio checklist in the pinned comments. Remember, perfection isn't the goal. Don't hesitate to hit publish and refine as you go. It might surprise you how many people land jobs with portfolio that aren't flawless. Ever wondered how many UX designers launch their portfolio website in less than 24 hours and at zero cost? Well, it isn't magic and you can learn to do it as well. This next video would show you exactly how to do it.